Do you want to get paid to type online? Well, maybe you're looking for the best work from home transcription jobs online. Well, hey, if you are, then in this exciting episode today, that's what we're going to talk about. Some of the best work from home transcription jobs that will pay you as a beginner $10 to $30 per hour. Okay, as a matter of fact, you're going to learn which are the best transcription jobs that require no experience for you to get started here. I'm going to show you some jobs that are paying between $10 to $30 per hour and how you can get paid on the high end on this. The best place to find unlimited jobs and an easy way to get paid double your current earnings for free. All right, it doesn't cost you anything else extra. Okay, but hey, before we get started, if you're new to this channel, hey, my name is Chris and this channel is all about empowering you, the home business entrepreneur, with the mindset and the skill sets to get results, make money, and drive breakthroughs. All right, so if you like content like that or any tutorials like this, then definitely give the video a like, consider subscribing to the channel, and definitely smash that bell too, because you'll be notified whenever I drop new videos, which is pretty much regular. Okay, my friend, let's get started right down to it. Okay, some few things to know before we get started. Number one, in order to get paid on the high end with like work from home transcription jobs, typing, a lot of it just depends on your experience. Okay, so the more experience you have, the more money you'll get paid. Okay, so in the beginning, you're probably going to be on the low end, but I can show you a great way to like basically bump up and accelerate your experience. I'm going to show you that in the very end for free and get paid more. Okay, number two, typing speed and English skill are kind of like a big deal. Okay, so typing speed between at least 50 words per minute is probably what you're going for, and pretty good, decent English writing and reading is probably what a lot of these are looking for. If you have that, it definitely lets you get paid more. And then you're going to notice that you're going to get paid based on the audio hour per minute, which is not exactly the time it takes you to type all that stuff out. It's basically only the audio hour. So generally, if it's going to be one audio hour, then you probably want to multiply that by 4 times that amount of time it's going to take you to transcribe it. So just keep that in mind. All right, first one we're going to check out is Scribbleby. Okay, basically Scribbleby is an audio transcription service, allows you to transcribe audio files and things like that, as you can see here, and they've been doing that for quite a bit. And then they also have basically where you can work. So if you want to get work here, you can see here you can apply to be part of their audio video transcription service. It's basically home-based work. You're going to get paid about $5 to $25 audio per hour rate. Okay, short files are what they're going to give you, so you don't have to type out really long files. 10 minutes or less. You get like a free automated transcript to save you time as well. You also get monthly bonuses as well, which is really cool, and you can do them, just pick and choose which jobs you want to do, and they do pay you in PayPal money. Okay, so if you got a PayPal account, you can definitely try this out, and it's no experience is required to get started with this as well. Second one you can check out is called 3Play Media. Okay, they basically are a captions service. They do captioning and transcribing, translating, and subtitling, and audio description services. Okay, so if you're looking for the work from home transcription jobs with them, all you got to do is come up here where it says jobs, click on that. They'll take you to this page right here. We can see their current openings. So you can see they have an English transcriptor and Spanish transcriptor editor type jobs. So they'll have multilingual. Great thing about them is no experience is required. You do get paid based on the project. So the project base, and you have to be really pretty good with Google Docs, because they use Google Docs as well. And a lot of their pay will be between $10 to $30 per audio hour. So okay, so you can definitely get paid pretty good money here, especially as a beginner. Third one to check out is called TranscribeMe. Okay, this is a highly rated transcription based service here. So you can see they do transcription, translation, and data annotation services, and they're really well known. As you can see, there's a lot of big time brands here, Oracle, Salesforce, that use their services. So they've been very vetted to be very high quality type services. So if you want to join as a transcriptionist, you just click up here and it'll take you to the job page. Pardon the interruption, my friend, but hey, are you enjoying this video so far? Getting value? Then hey, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to the channel. All right, and go ahead and tell me where you coming from. All right, where in the world are you from? Where you're trying to learn how to make this money. All right, so if you're enjoying this video, go ahead and give it a like and subscribe. All right, now back to our regularly scheduled programming. And so over here you can see the type of work that they got here, and most of the great thing about it is no experience is required, but you do have to take an exam in order to get started with this. But you can see some of the pay here ranges between $15 to $22 per audio hour, which works out to top earnings of $2,200 and average monthly earnings of $250. So that's pretty cool. Also the good thing about them too is that they only give you very small clips at a time to do the work, so they're very quick and easy work that you can do on your spare time, free time, and decide to do the jobs when you want to, wherever you want to. Next one to check out is called GMR Transcription. Okay, they are a human transcription services. They've been around since 2004, and basically they do transcribing, and they specialize with humans doing a lot of their work. As you can see, they have a lot of brands here, big time brands that you can see here that work with them, so that you can tell they've been around for a while. So you're gonna get a lot of high quality work there. If you want to check out what they have, then you can come down here where it says careers, or come up here where it says careers, and it'll take you to their career page. And the beauty about them is that no experience is required required for most of their jobs, and a lot of their transcriptionists and translators, as you can see. So if you have skill set in translating English, Spanish, all the multiple languages, that also allow you to get paid more here, and you can apply for multiple jobs, and you typically earn between $1,000 to $3,000 per month. Like I said, once again, this depends on your skill level. So the better you are, the more skill and the faster you are, then the more you will get paid. And I'm gonna show you a free way to be able to accelerate that growth very quickly right at the end of this, okay? As you can see, no fees or expenses needed. You just need a computer, high-speed internet, Microsoft Office, a foot pedal, earphones, and that's it. No expenses required, and you can get paid pretty quickly. So there you go. Next one you can check out is GoldGoTranscript.com, okay? So that's 100% human-generated transcription services, okay? As you can see, they have a lot of brands that they work with here. If you go to their transcript job page, you'll see that all the jobs are available. The great thing about them is no experience is required with them as well. You do need to have some good, strong English skills, okay? And you can tell too that you're probably going to be doing a lot of transcription for like medical and academic type work. But the good thing is that you get paid up to 60 cents per audio minute, okay? So you'll transcribe audio and video. Average earnings is about $150 per month. Top earnings about $1,200 monthly, okay? So if you're a skilled transcriptionist, you can actually get paid even more, and they'll definitely pay you more. And just in case you're wondering, this one is definitely worldwide. They hire anywhere in the world, worldwide, and they pay every Friday through PayPal. Next one to check out is called CastingWords, okay? And they are a transcription-based service. You can do, they do audio transcription and video transcription services. Look like they've been doing that for a while. They have a lot of clients here. You know, the site is not the strongest site, but it doesn't matter because guess what? They pay. So all you gotta do is click on their jobs posting here. You can see how you can get started and sign up for them. The best thing is once you get started, you'll see that no experience is required. You do need to be at least 18 years of age, and you can pretty much work anytime you want. It's very flexible, and and the interesting thing is that they only hire their freelancers here. So this is exactly the place you would have to go to get started and you know, register and to get to their jobs. And the other thing too is they are worldwide too. So this is available worldwide. So there you go. Another one you can check out is called Aberdeen Broadcast Services. Okay, so they're like a broadcasting service, but guess what? They also do caption and distribution, closed captioning of different stuff. So audio, video, transcoding, and broadcasting. So there's a lot of opportunity here for you to do transcription services as well. If you come down to the bottom, click on their careers. That'll actually take you to the next page here where you can see where they are hiring. Great thing about them is that a lot of times, a lot of these positions, as you'll see here, like this caption editor, are pretty much beginner entry, but you do need to have some stuff. So number one, you need to have like remember we talked about minimum 50 words per minute. You do need to have strong English skills. Got to be pretty competent with Microsoft Office and Google Docs. So that's kind of a given. They have other benefits as well, as you can see here. You can check out for each one, but a lot of the pay that I saw was between $12 to $15 per hour. Okay, so that's right there is Aberdeen services right there. Great option to do some transcription, work from home transcription. Next one to check out is called CrowdsurfWork.com. Okay, so they also do transcription services, and so if you are in the US and Canada or international, you can get started with this, either one, and it's very simple. You just sign on to their work market, join Crowdsurf, and then you can start crowd surfing. And the good thing about this is that not a lot of experience is required. You can come on, start working as a transcriber to transcribe their audio and text. You need to have decent English skills and a very decent typing speed, and then you can get paid. I also believe that when you do get started, they will want you to take a test as well, so you'll have to take a test, so just keep that in mind. But I will, like I said, I'll show you a great way to accelerate your skill sets so that you can pass that test pretty easily, effortlessly, for free. Another one you can check out too is called Appin. Okay, Appin.com/jobs. Appin is just like this massive website organization where they just have a lot of different opportunities here, and they fill a lot of these opportunities with freelancers. And so you can come here and see they got projects, micro tasks, and data collection. If you just click the projects one and apply, it'll take you to their main page where you can apply. And as you can see, they got a lot of stuff, including transcription-based type services. All right, so you can just get applied here. Anyone can apply. It's pretty much global. Because it's different jobs and projects, there's not exactly a pay that you'll get here, but I believe I read here you're looking at between $10 to $15 to $20 per hour, depending on your skill set once again. And then so just check that out. It's definitely an option that will give you more options to check out and give you a little bit more flexibility in your time, so you can do the work whenever you have availability. Now, for the option where you want to find unlimited work from home transcription jobs, you can definitely check out FlexJobs. FlexJobs is probably like one of the best websites because they have high quality jobs posted on there all the time, and employers are always looking on there to find people. So it's definitely a good place to get started. So all you gotta do is just type in here, type up top transcription, and I was able to find some of these right here. You're looking at about 155 available, right? So you just definitely want to check them out depending on where you are in the world. These are mostly in the US so far, but some of them are global, as you can see here. So you just want to check them out and see what's available. And then if you want to know my number one way to accelerate your skill set so that you can start getting paid more because you type faster, you're more efficient, and you are accurate, because that is key, then I recommend coming to Udemy. What's crazy about it is Udemy is an online educational course website where you can get all kind of courses for all kinds of things. If you just type in transcription up here like I did, that'll take you over to here and you can find some results. And what's crazy about it is that you can actually find free courses as well. And here's one that's called How to Transcribe and Excel in General Transcription. This thing has 4.4 stars, 4,000 reviews, and it is completely free. It's completely free, okay? So all you gotta do is just get this 1 hour, 8 lectures, dive deep, and you can accelerate your skill level and then get paid on the high end on all of these transcription work from home jobs that you just saw. That's it, my friend. Hope you got value. All right, that right there is like a ton of work from home transcription jobs that you can start doing to earn $10 to $30 per hour. All right, so hope you got value. If you did, hey, definitely give the video a like, all right, and consider subscribing to the channel. And guess what? If you want to check out another video that I did recently on some of this little known secrets on accelerating your job growth and being able to find even more transcription jobs that pay you way more and accelerate your speed on that, you definitely might want to check out this video right here that I did on that entire topic. Plus, I give you an extra job opportunity that I didn't mention in this one, all right? So that video is getting started right now in 3, 2, 1, let's go.